Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Alternative Plans here on my channel. I'm the Ginger Planner, aka Beck, and today I have this beautiful kit from Live, Love and Craft Papercraft. And what I want to show you today is how you can purchase a la carte kit options and put them into a personal sized planner. So without talking too much, let's get started. Okay, you guys, so today I thought I would do something different, and for this episode of Alternative Plans, I wanted to show you how you can use vertical box kits to decorate your personal sized spreads. Now, these beautiful sheets are from Live, Love and Craft Papercraft. Susie is one of the sweetest girls in the Aussie planner stickers community, and I highly recommend that you check out her store. So this is what I'm going to be using today. Now, having said that, I haven't actually decided yet exactly what I'm going to do. So as usual, I'm going to pop into time lapse so you don't have to listen to me and about everything that I'm doing. And I will come back and explain to you what I've decided to do in a moment. Okay guys, I just wanted to apologize too. I've got a terrible manicure situation happening at the moment. It's a little bit distracting. So what I've just done is gone ahead and put down a tracker for my to-do box, and then I have popped down just some full boxes in the bottom of each day. Now I'm going to go ahead and I have these quarter boxes that I can pop in here as well. I'm going to put down some date covers, and then I'm going to go ahead and decorate. So super easy. So you don't have to spend a fortune on a personal size planner, which is awesome. But the benefit of this is that I also have all of these beautiful leftover stickers, which is why I really love Susie's sets, because I have an extra full box here, which is great. I also have the bottom and top washi, and then I have some of these really nice deco sheets. I might actually trim this one and pop that somewhere. I'll have a think about that. I've also got this skinny washi here too. Now you guys will probably recognize this sheet of date covers from Barney and Moon, as I used them in, I believe, both of my last two Plan With Me's. So I highly recommend Barney and Moon's date covers, especially if you love foil, because you get so many different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to use the blush colored one with this spread. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those and some date dots down, and I will be back with you in a moment. Okay, so I've popped down some Barney and Moon date covers, and I've used some date dots from Susie as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and add in some of these quarter boxes and do some decorations, and then you guys are going to see the finished product. I'm so excited. Back in a moment. guys, so my quarter boxes are down and now I'm going to go ahead and start filling in my week. And to do that, I'm going to use some of my teeny characters from Label stickers. You can use my code Becky15 for 15% off at Label. And I really love these little characters because they remind me so much of me, which is great. But I also use them just to remind myself to post on social media and to, I don't know, it just makes me happy to decorate my spreads with little cute characters. So Saturday is my filming day, so I'm going to use my little YouTube icon there. And I'm going to pop in one of my little Netflix binge one. Look at how cute that is. I'm going to put that in on Sunday because my goal is to get into Unsolved Mysteries, which has just been put on Netflix, and I absolutely love supernatural kind of shows and podcasts and things like that. So I'm really excited and I really want to watch it before I go back to uni, which starts on the 13th. I can't believe it. It's happened. Uni break has gone past so quickly. So I'm going to make sure, put another Instagram girl here. I'm trying not to overload my Instagram with too much of the same kind of posts. I'm trying to change it up a little bit each time. So if you guys aren't following me, I will put my handle down below. I'm currently running a giveaway because, you guys, I can't believe it, but I hit 200 followers on Instagram. Isn't that insane? I've only been posting on the Ginger Planner Instagram for, gosh, I'd say just over a month. So it's grown incredibly quickly and I'm very proud of how far it's come. I'm having a lot of fun over there, getting involved in the community that's over there. And I really love creating visual content. It's not something that's ever been my strong suit, but I'm really enjoying practicing it, especially because the next unit I'm doing at uni is all about filming. So hopefully it will help me to make my Instagram and YouTube page a little bit more interesting for you guys, because sometimes I think it's probably a little bit boring to watch, but you know what, at the end of the day I'm really doing it for me, so it's all good. Now these little scripts are from Hamilton Print Co, and I just really liked the font, which is why I picked those up. It's just nice and big and easy to read. And I'm going to go ahead and use some of Susie's scripts. I'm going to put this little me time guy on the Sunday. Isn't that stunning? Look at that holo. I love it. You guys know I love me some foil. And she's started doing this. This is amazing. She's doing glitter bows. So guys, this is actual glitter on the sticker, and I don't know if you can see that, but that is just absolutely stunning. So I'm going to go ahead and try and line it up. Oh, that. I love that. Do I have enough to do that on everyone? I do. Oh my gosh, I love it. That's perfect. Okay, so I have some gold to-dos and I have some kind of like mermaidy hollow to-dos. What am I going to do? I think we're going to do some colour. I'm going to go with the mermaidy kind of foil. I really like that. Now, Susie is great. She will do customs for you if you ask. All you have to do is just reach out to her. And I'm going to put that to do. On each of the boxes. Because it's funny, my personal planner, up until last week, I really wasn't using that much, but it started to become more of a to-do planner for me. and my paper house planner has actually started to become, it's kind of strange to explain. It's not so much a memory planner as much it's become a diary almost, in that because my last spread had so much room to write in, which was fantastic, I actually got to put in some sort of diary slash journaly entries in it, which I really loved. And I think it's an interesting kind of style of planning I haven't seen many people do. I think it's more common in like bullet journaling. So it's something that I'm definitely going to be thinking about doing in the future, like continuing to do that, because I don't know, it makes me happy that I might be able to kind of like go back to doing a small diary entry every day. This definitely, I'm not explaining myself very well. I'll show you guys if I remind myself to. You guys, these glitter bows are just so pretty. I can't. This is looking stunning. I love it. Susie, if you're watching, you should be very proud of these, because these just are completely making this spread look absolutely, like, it's just topping it off. Whoop. Beautiful. And one more. You guys. I love it. Oh my goodness me. So I'm just going to add in, I really don't want to add too much more in because I feel like it's very nice, just kind of like simple and elegant like this. But I have a couple of these kind of purpley pinky hollow foil from Arctic Paper Studio, and they're just my little laptop icons. So I'm just going to go ahead and place a couple of them down. I'm kind of using them to remind me to do other computer related tasks that don't have anything to do with the planner community. So I do actually run a blog, and I also write when I have free time, which hasn't been very much lately, but I will leave a link to my blog in the description bar if anyone's interested in that. At the moment, it's just mainly got content related to university on it, but one day it might grow into something else. Okay, you guys, so this is how it turned out. I'm absolutely in love with this. It's absolutely gorgeous. So just to give you a quick rundown of everything that I've used, the kit is the Warm and Cozy kit from Live, Love and Craft Papercraft. These are her scripts as well, and the glitter bows are also from her shop, and the date dots as well. The date covers are by Barney and Moon. The little hello laptop icons are by Arctic Paper Studio. The Instagram scripts are from Hamilton Paper Co. And my little chibi Jolena characters are from labelstickers.com, and you can use code Becky15 for 15% off. I did also want to mention that Susie, who is Live, Love and Craft Papercraft, has extended her end of financial year sale until I believe the 11th of August, and I will leave the discount code for you below. I just need to confirm what it is because it was June 30, but I'm pretty sure it's probably changed. So link will be in the description bar for everything that I've used today. I'm just going to give you a little wiggle here, so hopefully you can really see the foil and the glitter popping off the page, and I will have some photos on my Instagram account too. Please remember to come and check me out on Instagram if you want to enter the giveaway. It is only open to residents of Australia and New Zealand, but all of the information is on the post on my Instagram page. Thank you so much for joining me again today, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.